So, don't know by now, I traded my 2019 Dodge Charger Scat Pack Stars and Stripe Edition for this awesome 700 horsepower first Hellcat Renegade. This is the first Hellcat Renegade right here. It's got the front bumper ends. This is for air inlet. These actually open up when you hit certain speeds. And it's got the SRT wheels. Sexy beast. Sexy. Oh wait, this shit ain't got no damn. So I took my Scat Pack to the dealership because there was an issue with the tint. That was a brand new car. I had 12 miles on it when I bought it, so somebody probably rolled the windows down on a tint or just didn't take, it's winter time right now. And the tint started peeling, especially in the back window area. I got some pictures, I'll post them up for you guys. And also, it started peeling on the driver's side door, like peeling off. And brand new car, your tint needs to look good. So took it back for them guys to fix it. They said everything's gonna be good. I waited for about a few hours, and they said due to the weather, it's kind of cold, and then keep it overnight. Make sure the tent sticks and everything's good, so I don't have to do it again. So they gave me this thing as a loaner. It's a Dodge Renegade, and I've been tried several times on the highway. Yes, people have cut me off, zoomed around me. It's definitely a big difference. 2019 Dodge Renegade. It's nice stuff. Got some options in here. You know what I mean? Nothing got an SRT mode or anything on there, but similar. It's similar to what you're almost gonna get in a Charger. That area right there. And fits the kids. Nice moonroof, sunroof, whatever this is. Panoramic. But it is not my Charger. So I don't know what I did with the keys. Oh, I got the keys in my back pocket. But I just noticed they gave me this thing with no license plate. Hope I don't get pulled over. There she blows. That's where we're headed to pick up my baby. They say the tint is good, so I'm gonna drop off this loaner that they so graciously let me use, and we're gonna get my Scat Pack Charger 2019. So I miss it compared to this thing, man. People have been disrespecting me in this car, man. You know what I mean? Cutting in front of me, all that. So me and little man back there going to pick it up. All right, we out. So to keep it real with you, look at that. I don't think they did a good job at all. Just took it back for the tint to be replaced, and has a block in the same spot right there. To me, look at this shit. He said it should curate. Well, come on, man. I've got tint before, and it's not gonna work. Look at that. But like I said, it is under warranty, so hopefully we'll get it straight. Got a dot right there too. Hopefully they'll get it straight. So other than that, it's good to have my baby back. Sure do miss the sound in the rumble, but not too happy about the tint situation. But we'll get it fixed up. We'll see.